This video is sponsored by You Art Lines. The opinions, though, are my own. We have here the unboxing of the large artificial poinsettias. This is how they come. This is a pack of 12, nicely packaged, dark red glitter edition. As you can see, I was already playing with them. So this is how it comes. You do have to manipulate it, and this is how it winds up. Very, very large, very substantial. I have so many uses for this already. I love the beads in the middle, and there is glitter everywhere, but what do you expect? It is a glitter flower. You can use these for decorating your tree, garland, wreaths. You can quickly secure them. It has the clip in the back. Big impact, minimal effort. All you do is bend the leaves and put it into the shape you so desire. But these are a must-have for the holiday. The color is a deep red, beautiful color payoff, deep red with that subtle glitter that catches the light. Eye-catching without looking cheap. These do not look cheap at all whatsoever. They're also going to be reusable and durable. We can reflatten them and repackage them for use in the next season, if that is what you want. The petals are fabric, so they're going to keep their shape. You also can see that there is a little metal strip that runs through the back, so they are not flimsy at all. And definitely these can be used for so many things. Can they be used indoors and outdoors? Sure, but I would definitely avoid rain or direct snow. Do they shed glitter? Yes. A quick shake definitely helps, and then there's nothing after that. The clips are definitely in there good. I'm not worried that that is going to come out. So final verdict. These poinsettias definitely bring holiday drama for little effort. This measures side to side about 10 inches. So you can really see that this is pretty big. They look expensive. They clip on very easily, and they're going to transform a simple green tree or anything else into a holiday magazine spread. Highly recommend.